Hello! This is a video on how to complete a quiz in a Maine Roads to Quality on-demand training. This video is about the annual renewal of the Child Care Development Fund Health and Safety Training. You will also hear this called the CCDF Health and Safety Training. This is part 3 in a series of 4 videos about this training. The quiz checks to make sure you learn things from the lesson. You need to pass all of the quizzes to get credit for your training. In the CCDF Health and Safety Training, you must complete a lesson's microlearning before you can take a quiz. Part 2 of this series is a video on how to complete a microlearning. The navigation bar is on the left side of the screen, and it helps you go through the training and access content. There is a filled-in green dot next to Lesson 1 microlearning. This means I have completed the microlearning for Lesson 1. Let's begin the Lesson 1 quiz. To begin the quiz, you first select Lesson 1 quiz on the navigation bar. Then you select Attempt Quiz, which we will do now. To complete the quiz, select your answer for each question. When you are done, select Finish Attempt in the bottom right corner. I will complete the quiz now on my own. After you select Finish Attempt, you then select Submit All and Finish. And then select Submit All and Finish again. We just completed a quiz and received a grade of 0 out of 5 or 0%. You need to get at least 4 questions right to pass the quiz. We failed the quiz. In the navigation bar, there is a red X next to Lesson 1 quiz. Because it is not a green filled-in circle, we did not get credit for the quiz. On this page, you can review your last try to see what questions you got wrong. You can retake the quiz as many times as you want and receive a new grade. To retake the quiz, you first go to the bottom of the page and select the words Finish Review. Then you select Reattempt Quiz. I will complete the quiz now on my own. We just completed the quiz again and received a grade of 4 out of 5. Because we got 4 or more questions right, we passed the quiz. In the navigation bar, there is a green filled-in dot next to Lesson 1 quiz. This means that we have completed the quiz and can move on to the next lesson. You will need to complete every quiz in the training to receive your certificate. The certificate is a document that proves that you have completed the training. The next video in this series is about how to access your certificate once you have completed your training. If you have any questions, please contact mrtq.training@maine.edu.